Digital commerce continues to grow throughout the world. Yet, brands and retailers are facing a new challenge: how to overcome stagnant conversion rates. That's when VTEX comes into play. Introducing VTEX Live Shopping app, our native live stream solution that helps brands and retailers to unlock growth opportunities through immersive shopping experiences. McKinsey forecasts that live shopping sales will represent up to 20% of e-commerce worldwide by 2026. And nowadays, more than 100 companies already use VTEX Live Shopping feature on their websites in 10 countries. VTEX Live Shopping app is tightly integrated with VTEX digital commerce platform. It allows customers to deliver unique shopping experiences through broadcast events directly from their online stores easily. With VTEX Live Shopping, you can increase engagement, boost sales, and manage all of your events in one place.
VTEX Live Shopping allows you to stream from wherever you want. Your store, your warehouse, your house. You choose. With VTEX Live Shopping, you will gather all the data in real time. Engagement ratio, likes and shares, and performance KPIs.
Your business is just a click away from creating immersive shopping experiences directly from your online store. What are you waiting for? Let's go live. Visit apps.vtex.com and install VTEX Live Shopping today.